Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss some more topics from Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS. Pratiksha Bhadoria, with my team here. We are going to discuss some more topics. The agenda for today's discussion is explain reports and dashboards in Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS in a bit detail. So, what are reports and dashboards in Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS? Like we already know that what are the reports and dashboards as layman terms. So in Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS, it also provides reports and dashboards as part of the data visualization and analytical capabilities. So I'll be discussing the report part here. So reports in Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS, it provides the detailed insight into master data, that is including the data quality, matching results and stewardship activities along with the data lineage. So the what are the results that can be derived from the master data? So this is what is presented in the form of report. Report help organization track the trends and ensure the data consistency across the different domains. So what are the types of reports we have? First is predefined reports that we don't have to customize. They are built in. So they are built-in reports along with Informatica MDM Cloud. Example, data quality score report, the data matching and survivorship report, and the stewardship activity report. Now, second kind of reports are custom report, which the user can customize. So these are created using SQL queries, APIs, or embedded BI tools. And user can generate ad hoc reports based on the business requirement. Third kind of report is operational report. So this is basically, it is dependent on the daily operations, such as workflow status and data changes. Fourth kind of report is audit reports, where we need the audit data record. Fifth is exception report. So where we need the record that has the report, related to any errors or anomalies, or just in case we have duplicate records, we found out data inconsistencies. So these are the kind of data that is actually present in exception reports. Now, what are the features of reports? First is filters and sorting. We can apply filters and we can also sort the data using entity, date, region, or custom attributes. Second is scheduled reporting. The report can be scheduled to run at regular intervals. Third is export options. The user can export the report in the form of CSV, PDF, or Excel formats to any person that is required, that is to the business users. Next is drill down capabilities. We can drill down the data to any deeper levels that we want the data to go down to. For example, we have the country, then in country we have the state, then in state we have the city. So like that we can drill down from country to city. So these are the features of reports that we have. Now next is, what are the steps to create a report in Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS? So first is we have to log in Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS. Then next is we have to navigate to the analytics or reporting section. So in this, if your organization has enabled embedded analytics, then you can also view the predefined reports that we have already discussed. Next is, now we have to select a report. So we are in the analytics or reporting section. Now we have to select a report. Then we have filter and customize. If we want to filter or customize and apply any filter, that is date range, entity type, or attributes, then we can do that also in the report. Then we have export. So after creation of a report, if we want to export the report, then we can also do that. And we can export the report in the form of CSV, Excel, or PDF. Option 2, like we have already discussed the step 1 of how we have to create a report. Now there is a second option also, using custom report, data model based reports. In this, first we have to access the reporting module if it is enabled. Then we have to define the data module, that is choose the master data entities. Master data entities here are customers, products, and suppliers. Second is select the attributes that you want to include, that you want to show in the report. Third is apply filters and conditions. like whatever filters you want to apply, and you want to set the criteria that only those records to be shown, so that condition also we can apply in the report. Like example here is only active customers, so the inactive customers would not be shown. Now fourth is choose the output format. So whatever output format we want the report to generate in, that we can also select over here. Then fifth is schedule or download. Then some version allows scheduled reports. So we can schedule the report, that is after certain time or certain interval, the report would automatically download. So like that we can also schedule the jobs over here. So here we have actually attached a screenshot where we have shown that in the background we have the different reports that are there. And if you want to create a report, then we can see over here, we can go to report, and we have a tabular report that we can create. So the report to be created in the tabular format, and then we can click on the create button. So it would help us to create the report. Now this screenshot that we can see here is, so it is a bar chart, it's a report that is there, and we have the report details also, that is Cognizant has one employee, Infosys has one employee, and TCS has one employee. So this is in the form of numbers, and in the left side this is in the form of chart. So now I would like to invite Dhiren sir to explain dashboards in MDM Cloud SaaS. Thank you.
Thanks, Pratiksha. So I will be taking it from here. So the dashboard is nothing but it's like customized interface or forms where we have the collections of reports. Basically, we are clubbing all the reports, whatever we want, and the way we want this, we can customize in the that form, and then we can show this one page view of everything, and whatever we need, we can click on it, and those reports details will be generated on the screen. So this is the dashboard. So basically in the MDM Cloud Stack, a dashboard is a customizable interface that provides a visual summary of key information and activities for monitoring and analyzing data, often presented through charts, graphs, and widgets. Here we can see the more explanation below, like the purpose. So what is the purpose of it? So basically, dashboard helps user quickly understand the performance of their organization, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on key data points. Functionality. So in the functionality sections, we have a multiple options. So we will go one by one. Visual summary, meaning the dashboard present data in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to grasp complex information. Customizations. User can tailor dashboard to display the specific metrics and information that are most relevant to their need. So means we can customize the way we want it. Monitoring. So dashboard also allow us to monitor the things like the performance indicators like KPIs and other important data points in a real time. Maybe means we can see how many jobs are running, what are the failure, and all those things. So we can monitor the things from here as well. And analysis. It also provides us the facility to do the analysis, identify the trends, patterns, and potential issues, if any. Next. Okay, so means how we can create the dashboard. So we will see the steps here how we can create the dashboard. So we can follow these steps below steps from the customer 360. So what we need to do is we need to log into the customer 360, and then on the step one we can create a report. How we can create a report? We can go to a new report, and then we can choose this tabular report and click on create. So then you can select the required business entity and select dimension and measures accordingly. So there are dimensions and measures that we need to choose. And once we have chosen that, then measures is nothing with like quantitative data, like it will have some kind of functions on this that is already present in the drop down. We can choose accordingly, like if you want some, or if you want some count and all those things, we can choose in that manner. And once this is done, we can save the report. And once the report is saved, we need to schedule it. So there is option we can schedule to run this report. So in the step two, configure a chart. So means once we have created the report, we can click on that report, and in the top right corner you will see there is a configure chart icon. From there we can select the respective chart and save it. So respective chart meaning we can show this in the graph. There are different types of graphs, representation of data, how the data will get represented. So that things we can choose. And then so in our example, if you see that in the left side we have chosen this pie chart. So we have a three rows here. See, so in the right side we can see, right, we have a three rows. So those three rows are represented here in the pie chart. So you can see the three different colors, and means based on the data, the length of these colors will get changed. So it will represent the data in the form of a pie chart. Move on to the next slide. Okay, so then third step, create dashboard. So before means like why we have shown this, how to create the report, because we are integrating those report in the dashboard. So that's why we show that how we can create the reports. So now we need to create a dashboard. So from the Informatica MDM Cloud SaaS 360, customer 360, we need to navigate to the home page. From there, we can click new dashboard, then click on the add dashboard. So once we click on the dashboard, then we will see this particular image which is shown here. So this form will get open. From there, we have two options like custom and predefined. So either we can choose the custom or predefined. So when we choose the custom, this will give us the list of reports which is created by us, created by users. And when we choose this predefined, it will list all the out-of-box reports, means the reports pre-created by the Informatica product itself. So based on our need, we can create it. So it's like how we want that. It's up to us. Based on the requirement, we can choose this option. If we want to create our own reports, we can choose the custom option. If we want to use the system created reports, we can use the predefined report, meaning out of box reports. Move on to the next. Okay, then the other step is open dashboard. So click on a dashboard to see the list of reports present integrated in a dashboard. So in the previous steps, we have integrated the reports in the dashboard. Now we want to see that. So we can what we can do, we can click on the dashboard, and the list of the reports which is integrated here in the dashboard will be shown here. So in this case, you can see only one report is shown here, that is in the form of pie chart, and you can see it's like the different data is present here, right, based on the data available in the tables and all. So in this way, we can see the view of the data in the form graphical form and in the summary form of the summary. And here means when we have integrated the more reports, instead of one, you will be seeing more options here. There will be many icons there, and based on your need, you can choose them and then get the details. Move on to the next. So how you can create this report? So to create this one, we can click on the dashboard and then add new widget and then choose the respective report. Next. So by this we have completed our today's session. Thank you.